Finally, you have completed designing your website inside of Framer. And now you are ready to publish that site live on the internet. But before publishing your site live, make sure you get these 3 points corrected. Make sure to avoid ignoring these 3 points because these are some important yet basic points that you should remember. So let's see what are those 3 points. Let's go. So firstly, make sure your website is running well in terms of functionality. Now, what do I mean by functionality? Whatever sorts of links, whatever sorts of button or whatever drop downs or whatever animations, hover over state or whatever kind of functionality or feature things are used in your website, make sure they are all working well. Not only working well on one device, but throughout all size device. That means your website is running well in terms of responsiveness. This is something which is a very basic point that you should remember. Secondly, you make sure you have added alt text to whatever images you have on your website. This would help users to know what this image is all about, even if when the image is not showcased due to some reason. Just a quick note guys, I have provided a link in the description that is about a detailed checklist that you should refer before publishing your site live on the internet. Now whatever 3 points I am discussing in this video are the important ones that you should definitely get it corrected. But there are some more points that are optional. If you want to get all of them corrected, I have mentioned them in my PDF. You can find the link in the description and you can download that link as well. So now let's move on to the final point. Last but not the least, make sure you have filled all the necessary informations in the site settings like site title, site description, favicon, social image, not just in the general tab, but also for each and every page that your website is having. So make sure you have filled all these details. Alright guys, so this was it from my side as of right now. I will see you next time with some more amazing web design, Framer design related content. And remember one thing, I say this every time, that web designing is simple. So let's keep it simple and let's make it simple.